Guys, how flipping cool do these look? These are the S2 wireless ANC headphones from SuperEQ. Now, do these sound anywhere near as good as they look? Find out in just a few seconds. What's up YouTube? Dave here with Sing for a Lenser. Thanks for stopping by the channel. We make lifestyle videos and all things tech, so if that's your kind of thing, then please consider subscribing to the channel and clicking on that bell icon so you can be notified of new videos. First off guys, I was asked to review these S2 noise cancelling wireless headphones by SuperEQ in return for an honest review. Now if you follow my channel, you'll know that whether I buy something myself or whether I'm sent it, you're always going to get an honest review, good, bad or indifferent. Now, I previously reviewed the S1 headphones from SuperEQ, and I've got to say, I was really impressed with these. For a pair of headphones, noise cancelling headphones, around the £50 mark, they sounded pretty damn good. I mean, to be honest, I get sent a lot of headphones, and I review a lot of headphones and a lot of earbuds, and you know what, most of them I kind of give away in promotions or just like that, but I kept these because I was that impressed with them, even to the point that I was bought some Beats Studio 3s and I never even bothered opening them. Look, they're still sealed. In fact, I'm selling these, or maybe I'll give them away, I don't know. But now these S2s have landed on me, literally. I'm going to be well and truly torn. And remember guys, SuperEQ are part of Oneodio, who, if you don't know, make some pretty high-end professional headphones. So my hopes for these S2s are pretty high. Now, before we get into the good stuff, let's take a look at what you get in the box. You get some instructions, a warranty, you get a bunch of cables, a USB charging cable, thumbs up for that. You get a 3.5mm cable so you can plug this into something that isn't Bluetooth, and you get an in-flight adapter for those of you that are still flying. That will come in pretty handy. I used to fly somewhere like every few weeks, but I've not even been on a plane for 2 years, and that is pretty crazy. Anyway, taking a look at these S2s, I've already made my comments on the aesthetics. I love this colour combo. I saw them in plain black, and you know what, they didn't look half as cool. Now I can appreciate this is a bit of an acquired taste, looks a bit art deco, bit retro, I love it. Anyway, they seem to be made from a combination of very smooth and soft kind of plastic and memory foam with a touch of metal in the headband, so they feel pretty sturdy. My one gripe with the S1s was the ear cups. They didn't fold round, so they had a tendency to choke you. Oh. These do swivel, so no more choking, right? That's a good thing. On the bottom of the ear cups you have the 3.5mm socket and the USB-C charge port, and looking on the right ear cup, apart from this cool art deco type styling, you have the power, playback and the volume controls. There's also a button to turn noise cancelling on and off. Now don't be fooled, although these look like touch buttons, they're actually real clicky buttons, so that's pretty reassuring. So getting these paired up is easy. Just switch them on, go to your phone, they appear in your Bluetooth settings, and boom, you are good to go. Controls are pretty straightforward. Power button to turn on and turn off, and also if you're in a phone call you can hang up and answer phone calls. Noise cancellation on and off, so when it's off you get a green LED to let you know that the noise cancellation is off. You've got your volume up and down buttons, or if you hold the buttons your tracks will skip forwards and backwards respectively. Now the audio quality, well, all I can say is I'm not disappointed. They do sound good, low or high volume. The highs are nice and crisp with a nice amount of bass. Incidentally, the bass seems deeper with the noise cancellation turned on for some reason, so not really sure why that is, but it does sound good. So guys, to summarise, these S2 noise cancelling headphones from SuperEQ sound great. They're dead cheap. I've seen them on sale between £35 and £50, but I'll leave any discount codes in the description. They are Bluetooth 5. They've got a running time of between like 15 to 25 hours, and that's really dependent on volume and whether you've got volume level and whether you've got noise cancellation turned on or not. And they only take about 2.5 hours to charge. And did I say they look flipping awesome? Because they do. Guys, if you enjoyed this video, then please give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to the channel. Like I said, I'll put any links to the products and any discount codes in the description. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them in the comments section below. Until then, guys, thanks to you for watching this video, and thanks to SuperEQ for sending me these S2 wireless noise cancelling headphones. A definite upgrade on the already good S1s. Guys, I'm Dave for Seeing Through a Lens. Thanks ever so much for watching, and I will see you the next time. Bye for now.